Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to register, select a problem statement, and submit your solution for our event Recon 6.0. My name is Amit Kumar. I am a technical team member of Recon 6.0. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can focus on showcasing our innovations. So first of all, go on your unstop, click on unstop and log in. Go on search bar and search Recon 6.0 and click on this. So this is our recon registration page and our submission round is live and all the details here you see. So now click on register and first of all make sure your mobile number is verified. Put your number and verified, then register. After register, make your team and invite your team to join. Okay. Once you registered, you receive a confirmation mail. Make sure to verify your registration through the link provided. Okay. So now scroll down and you see a problem statement section. Download it. Click on this. Okay. And this is our problem statement on different tech stacks. Okay. So select according to you. Choose the problem statement that aligns best with your skills and interest. One selected, confirm your choice in the dashboards. Like after you select the problem statement, make sure in your PPTs, IDs and category and title is mentioned. Okay. So now move to how to submit it. So scroll down, go. You see here the round is live now active. Click on this and click on submit button. Click on upload and upload. Select your PPT and upload here. Okay. And now click on submit. Okay. So you have been already submitted. Okay. So your problem statement and the solution is submitted. Reminder to submit before the deadline, which is 5 February 2025. Okay. Uh, Late submission will not be accepted, and that's all. We are all set to. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out us through the send queries organization. Submit your subject details and send organization. Okay. So good luck for your events, and we cannot wait to you to see your organization with your ideas. Okay. Thank you.